The 9 patch is actually a very versatile patch to use in patchwork. Traditionally we do it by strip piecing, and that's on our little video about strip piecing. But the quilt behind me was actually done in individual squares. A little bit of history to this quilt. It was made as the 15th celebration of the shop that I opened called Creative Quilting, which I opened in 1989. Going back to traditional 9 patch, here is 9 patch within a 9 patch. So we've got 3 big patches across. The big patch here has then again been subdivided. This is a very traditional pattern. Does actually go back in my quilting history probably 30 years. It was an early piece that I did and tried out machine quilting. It was really hard, take a deep breath and hold it while I did all these feather wreaths. But I still love it, and then part of quilting history, I think, is just that. It's part of quilting history.